guys, it's Arena. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. For today's video, I decided to do a full face using Too Faced products just because Too Faced is my favorite brand. And this is the finished look. It's kind of like a peachy pink everyday look. It's kind of the makeup that I wear every day when I'm just going to uni or like work, minus like the lashes and the full coverage foundation. But the eye makeup is pretty much my everyday eye makeup. Anyways, if you want to see how to get this look, keep watching. So I'm just going to start by taking the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and I'm just going to quickly prime my whole face. This primer smells amazing. Their whole collections always have such great scents. So next I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This one. And this one is in the shade Nude. I'm like breaking out, there's like a massive pimple right there. Ooh, I need to cover that up, so I'm just going to grab my beauty blender and buff that all in. So I'm going to take the Born This Way Natural Radiant Concealer. My one's like really retarded because that bit there isn't tight enough, so it always comes under and it like spills, which is like kind of annoying. So I'm just going to take a bit of this under my eyes. Just there. So any areas that I need to have more coverage. Just going back in with my beauty blender, I'm going to blend that all out. I'm going to take a concealer brush and just carve out my brows, just for a little bit more precision. Now that the concealer is all in place, I'm just going to quickly take the Cocoa Contour Kit. So this one's medium to deep. And I'm just going to take that shade right up there, so that light shade, and just set the places where I've concealed. Now that my concealer is set, I'm going to go in with the eyes, the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, this one right here, which is absolutely adorable. I'm just going to place a bit of the light pink all over the eyes. I'm going to take a bit of Candid Pink and just pop that in the outer corners of my eye. And I'm going to blend it up a bit. This palette smells so good. Everything smells so good. I love it. I love the Too Faced palettes. I have the chocolate bar palette as well, and I adore it. And this is like amazing. I love the pinks in this shade. All the colors in the peach palette are just so versatile, and you can kind of use them every day just because they're such easy colors to use. I really love Too Faced products just because I really like what the brand stands for, and their packaging is really adorable, and like I'm a sucker for cute packaging, and it smells nice and it looks pretty and the colors are good, the quality is nice, they're vegan friendly, they don't test on animals, like it's just everything that I would want in a brand. So I really love Too Faced. They're a good brand. So far right now they probably are my favorite like Western brand. Just take some of the Bellini shade and pop that in the center of my eyes for like a halo kind of eye. This color is so gorgeous. And I'm just gonna use my fingers to like blend that out. Just Peachy, this shade up here, and pop that in my under waterline. This one's like more of a true pink compared to like the peachy shades from the other colors, if you like get what I'm trying to say. Like it's more pinky than peach. I might take a bit of that up as well and just focus it on the edge. And taking the shade Luscious, which is that one right there, I'm just gonna pop that in my tear duct area. Ooh. So I just applied my false lashes. I'm just going to apply some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my bottom lash line. Yay, so now that the eyes are officially done, I'm going to move on to the face, and I'm just gonna go back in with the Cocoa Contour palette and just take this brush that comes in it and mix the shades, because I always do that. And my forehead, of course, and I'm just gonna take a bit on my nose. Blend, blend. Now to go on to highlight, and I'm just going to take the Too Faced Love Light Prismatic Highlighter in the shade Ray of Light. And lastly, I'm going to take some of the Too Faced Sweet Peach lip gloss, and this one's in the shade Peach Fuzz, and I'm just going to apply this to my lips. You can line your lips if it's too light for you, but I don't mind just the pink tinge. So this is the completed look using all Too Faced products. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!